Right, in this video I'm going to show you how to charge one of these Legend Elux 3500 puff e-cigarettes. I'd first likely to say that these can be dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. You do need a proper charger to charge these batteries up. Inside these batteries is a lithium ion battery, like one of those, which I do find an absolute waste. These are disposable. They're between 10 and 12 pounds each. Now, yeah, they're disposable, you might get 3 or 4 days out of these, but I can recharge these up safely and get 2 or 3 more uses out of them. But I think personally it's just a waste of resources having to just throw these in the dustbin when they're lithium batteries and you can recharge them. Right, the first thing you've got to do is clearly take it to pieces, take it apart. Now these ones I've already pulled the tops off. Here we are. There's the top. I just use a knife like that, but obviously be careful not to cut your fingers. Basically just flick it like that until it pops off. Same goes for the bottom. The bottoms can be a bit hard to get off for the first time. Now once you've pulled the bottom cap off, it's just a case of pushing all the insides carefully out like that, revealing the internals. Now there's your tank, which you can refill by taking the silicone top off. I find that you don't need to refill these on a second charge. You can get away with just leaving it as it is. Now there's your battery, there's your sensor, the bottom, which your terminals positive and negative. They are covered with tape for obvious safety reasons. Now then we'll plug my charger in. Right, to get to the terminals, you've got to carefully peel back the tape covering the terminals up. Pretty simple. Just be careful not to cut through these wires because they're really small, thin wiring. Lift that up. Just makes it easier to get it into the charger. That's the positive end done. Same for the negative side. Can be fiddly. Sometimes they come straight off, other times they don't. So you just peel the tape back. Leave the tape in position because you will need to put that back. Lift the tab up. So get your charger. This is different to the other one. It's not a very good charging connection on the back, unfortunately. Right, so get your polarity correct. That is definitely important, is your polarity. These recharging units, they're not that expensive. It may take a bit of fiddling around with to get it to charge, but there you go, it's charging. I'm charging this at 500 milliamp. This is you can alter the current rating, but I always charge them at 500. It does go up to 1000 milliamp. And once it's charging, there you go, it starts telling you what it's putting into the unit. When this is fully charged, it will automatically switch off. Now a lot of people I've seen where they're attaching a USB cable to this and plugging it straight into a USB charging port, which is not the correct way of doing it, because this unit is designed to switch off when it's fully charged. Now if you plug this into just straight into a USB, it doesn't know when this battery's charged and it will keep putting power and in and in and in until finally this will either pop or catch fire, which I have seen happen. So you do need one of these chargers. Like I said, you can get them for £10. I can't remember, I think this was £20 this one. But like I say, you get what you pay for. But this, you can do 4 in 1. You can charge 4 e-cigarettes. Now these are another type which you know about, these little ones. Same again, you can do the same with these. These ones are flat. These ones somebody's given me to charge, or to salvage the batteries out of them. These ones are similar, but obviously they've got smaller batteries in them. That side. You can see I've salvaged these as well. So that's basically, you do the same with that. Take the top, take the bottom. They are a bit more fiddly though, these, because they're smaller. and then do the same again without taking any wiring off. Put them into the charger. Hope that's helped somebody. Be safe and don't do it if you're not confident. I'll just quickly show you how I get into these. Some are easier than others, but I just usually get a sharp knife, make sure your fingers are out of the way, and just keep going round each corner. Feel it starting to pop. There you go. Popped. And then push out like so. And there you have it. There's your tank and your battery.